2015 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as the Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. And is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, front, power steering, power brakes, power windows, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.